Hi, I am Jenko Romano, and my reflection about gender and the self. I realize that gender plays an important role in shaping our identity and how we see ourselves in societies. From a young age, we are often influenced by expectations about males and females should act, dress, or this think. This expectation can guide us, but they can also limit us if we let stereotypes define who we are. Now let's talk about genders and self. For me, understanding a gender and self means recognizing that one has the right to express themselves freely, regardless of traditional rules. Our identity should not be boxed in by what society expects, but we should reflect our own choice and individuality. In the end, gender is a part of who we are, but it does not completely define us. What truly matters is how we embrace our authentic self and respect others of doing the same. And thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have learned the lesson that we are talking today.